Congrats if you have been sticking through this course up to this point. This is the last chapter in this stage. After this chapter, we will move into a more serious aspect of this course, which is the practical aspect of this course. Here is a list of some important Forex apps. 1. TradingView app. 2. MetaTrader app. 3. Your broker app. I would love you to download the following apps if you haven't done that yet. So let's walk through the MetaTrader app. The MetaTrader app is just an app where you can view charts and manage your trades. The MetaTrader app is usually connected to a broker before you can trade and make money. To connect your broker to your MetaTrader app, you will need login details of either a demo account with your broker or your real account with your broker. To get login details of your account with your broker, you will have to create an account with your broker first, and then open up a demo or real trading account using your broker. Your broker will send your login information to your email, and then you will use those details in your MetaTrader app to log in to your account. That's how to simply connect your broker to your MetaTrader app. You cannot withdraw from your MetaTrader platform. You have to do it on your broker's platform. That is why you need a broker app. You cannot fund your account on MetaTrader platform. You have to do it on your broker's platform. All your MetaTrader is useful for, as far as I am concerned, is viewing charts and managing your trades. So let's look at a few functions on your MetaTrader app and see how you can do one or two things with the app. Before we dive into that, I want you to note that I don't use MetaTrader for my analysis only. I use TradingView for my analysis and use MetaTrader just to place trades and manage my trades. If you want a TradingView walkthrough, I am recommending a video on YouTube by Disciplined Trader. The title of his video is Master TradingView in Under 30 Minutes. So you can check his video to watch how he explained the whole TradingView website. Now let's dive into some functions on your MetaTrader 4 mobile app. MetaTrader 4 is the most used platform. However, you can use MetaTrader 5. They are almost the same. But I recommend using MetaTrader 5 because it has everything you need at this time. Let's look at how to add indicators. To add indicators, all you need to do is click on your charts, then click on this F icon, then click on Main Window, then choose your desired indicator. To add objects like lines, rectangles, and so on, you will click the Shapes icon, then click on Add Object, and scroll through to pick your desired object. If you want to execute a trade in MetaTrader 4, click on the Trade text written above, or tap the screen and select the trade option when it displays some options. To change lot size, click on the middle number in black directly under the Market Execution text. To input TP and SL, just click on the Take Profit and Stop Loss tab and edit the numbers you want. Congratulations, we are done with Stage 1 of this course. In our next stage, we will be looking at indicators, and after that, we will be looking at price action. After price action, we will look at the wisdom aspect of Forex, which is the mentorship stage. I am sure you are already wondering why I didn't explain all the functionalities in the MetaTrader 4 app. I want you to relax. We will deal with all of that as we move further in this course.